What's up everyone? The new GoPro Hero 12 just launched recently and it finally supports Bluetooth audio out of the box, which is cool if you own a Sena device because now you can record your audio straight onto the GoPro 12 footage. If you're only interested in recording your voice over your riding footage, then all you need to do is pair your Sena device to the GoPro Hero 12 via Bluetooth. However, pairing your GoPro 12 with the Sena MeshPort Red opens new possibilities and takes your video content to the next level by changing the Bluetooth connection to mesh. Once your GoPro Hero 12 is connected to the Sena Mesh network by using the Sena MeshPort Red, the entire intercom conversation between you and other riders can be recorded straight to your GoPro footage. Hey Brad, you finally made it! Say hi to YouTube!
What's up, YouTube? You wanna see me smoke Mark or my Ducati Monster?
Yeah right bro, you're too slow to get away.
Catch me leaving you in the dust on your new GoPro setup.
In your dreams, Brad. Okay guys, I need to go, but before I do, let's go ahead and send you to the studio and show you a step-by-step on how to get it all set up. By the way, Brad, last one to get there buys dinner.
Challenge accepted.
I hope you know I like filet mignon.
They have filet mignon on the dollar menu?
Not where I'm going. See you later, Brad.
Let's go over how to set up the Sena MeshPort Red with your new GoPro Hero 12. Step 1. Turn on your GoPro Hero 12 and MeshPort Red. For your GoPro, press the power button on the side of your GoPro. For the MeshPort Red, press and hold the multifunction button until you see a blue LED light turn on. Step 2. Place both the GoPro Hero 12 and MeshPort Red in Bluetooth pairing mode. To place the MeshPort Red in Bluetooth pairing mode, hold down the multifunction button until you see the LED lights flash red and blue. To place the GoPro into Bluetooth pairing mode, go to your GoPro setting dashboard by swiping down on your GoPro LCD screen and then swipe left. On the left corner of the LCD screen, you will see a button that says +/pair device. Tap on that button and select MeshPort Red. The MeshPort may also show up as a hexadecimal code. After tapping on the MeshPort Red or its hexadecimal code, you should see a Bluetooth icon next to it. Once you see this icon, your MeshPort Red and GoPro Hero 12 will be paired, and you're all done. Now you can record a virtually unlimited number of riders' audio straight to your GoPro Hero 12. If you have any questions, I'll leave a link in the description down below for any tech support you may need.